Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your default bill payment terms to due on receipt on QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that every time you send an invoice, you want it to default to due on receipt. How do you actually go ahead and set that up on QuickBooks Online? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to QuickBooks.com. Next, you're going to click on the gear icon on the upper right-hand corner. Afterwards, you want to click on where it says Account and Settings. Once you click on Account and Settings, you want to click on Expenses on the left-hand side. And then afterwards, where it says Default Bill Payment Terms, you want to click on the pencil icon for it. And then you want to make sure this is set to due on receipt. So now anytime you send an expense or purchase form, it is going to be defaulted to due on receipt, and then click on save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set your default bill payment term to due on receipt. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.